Hello students, welcome to Praishu Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class. Subject Intelligent Test and the topic is classification words. In this video, we are going to look the model question papers or model questions explanation which is available in our Navneet Digest. So please open page number 115 or we can say 116 up to this one also. So in this one, the question number 1 on page number 115 okay, so question number 1. So for question number 1 to 13 there is a common explanation is there in a question. Select the terms which does not match the group, or we can say so the different parts, or we can say the different word we have to choose. It's the same like a odd man out. So for from the four options we have to choose one word which is not belongs to the all commons to the all four words. Okay, so means three words are separately and one words is differently, so that word we have to identify on the basis of the some properties or some features or some similarity in between this one. Okay, so the question number 1: ant, cockroach, butterfly and sparrow. Now in this one, the sparrow is a bird, so that's why the fourth option bird means sparrow is different than the cockroach, or we can say the butterfly or ant. So all these are the insects. So option number 4 sparrow means bird is different. Now question number 2: coal, copper, iron and silver. Now copper, iron and silver, these are all the metal, but the coal is not a metal, it's a non-metal. It's made by the wood, okay, after the burning. So coal means option number 1 is the correct one. Now the question number 3: leaf, flower, root and the branch. In this one, if you see leaf, flower and branches all are the present in a tree on above the soil, but roots are in under the ground, or we can say in the soil. So that's why the option number 3 is the correct one, means the root is the different word. Now question number 4: jagan, chagan, magan and sagan. Now in this one, if you see option number 2 chagan is a different because of the alphabetical counting. If you do this one, so chagan is a different than the other, means jagan, magan and sagan all are the equal quantity of the letters, or we can say the alphabets are the in equal quantity, but the chagan is a different one. Now the question number 5: watch, see, look and show. Now watch, see and look all are the somewhat be similarity in activities, but the show means something we have to show to the something somebody. So the show, this word is the different, means the option number 4 for the question number 5, this is the different one. So option number 4 is the correct. Now the question number 6: tabla, dholak, sitar and mridang. So here tabla, dholak and mridang. So mridang also somewhat be like a dholak, but its the shape is somewhat be different, so that's why it's called a mridang or mridangam. So the sitar, which is very different, which have the some wires, where is means metal wires, and the dholak and tabla and mridang have the some bass. On this one we have to, with a finger we have to hit that one to make it the sound. So the sitar means option number 3 is the different one. Now question number 7: leopard, cow, elephant and rhinoceros. So rhinos and elephant and cow all are the, we can say, the herbivorous, and leopard is the carnivorous, because leopard is eating the meats. Okay, so that's why as per the food intake, this leopard is a different one, means the option number 1 is the different one. Now the question number 8: hare, tear, bear and deer. Now as per the, we can say, the pronunciation all are somewhat be similarity, but if meaning also not something common for so that's why the deer, as per the spelling point of view, this deer is different than others. So for the question 8, 4 is the correct one. Now question number 9: day, pay, way and may. So now day, way and may all are the something noun, but pay is a verb, means that is a action doing something. Okay, but way means something showing the some nouns related to the something Okay, means we can say the road or something, or going to something direction. May is a month, and day is also the day, we can say. So the pay is a different one. Option number 2 for the question number 9. Now question number 10. Potato, elephant's foot, sweet potato and spinach. Now option number 1, potato, elephant's foot and sweet potato all are growing in a undergrounds, means in a soil, but spinach is leaves which is away above the ground. So spinach means option number 4 is a different for the option number question number 10. So this is the correct option. Now 11, day and night. Now girl and woman. Option number 3, poor and rich. 4, joy and sorrow. So option number 1, 3 and 4 all are the, we can say, the opposite word, means antonyms, but option 2, girls and women, are not the antonyms. So option number 2 for the question number 11 is the correct answer. Now the question number 12, preliminary, prehistoric, prepaid and preposition. Now here option number 2, 3 and 4 all are made by after the prefix pre, but the word preliminary is not the using by the using the prefix. So that's why this option 1 is the different, and this option 1 is the correct one for question number 12. Now the question number 13, common, exceptional, unique and rare. Now exceptional, unique and rare somewhat be similarity in a meaning, but common means somewhat be all that one, means somewhat be, we can say, the everywhere or belong to all that one. So this exceptional means out of that something, we can say, and unique means identifying. These all words are something identification of the something separately from the something. Okay, so rare also we can say the something same as the one group is there, but out of that one something is rare, means uniqueness something showing that one. So this exceptional, unique and rare are somewhat be correlated within same similarities, but common is very different meaning. So that's why this common option number 1 for the question number 13 is a correct one. I hope there is a question up to the question 13, so there is no question 14. So these are up to the question 13 for the model questions exercise. Now in next video we will cover the exercise 2.1, which is available on 116 page number. So thank you.